How can I catch multiple exceptions in one line in Python? In Python, errors during execution are handled using pyth try except. Example, try result equals 10 over 0, except 0 division error. Print cannot divide by 0. But in real applications, multiple different errors can occur. A very common question is, how can I catch multiple exceptions in one except block? Python provides a clean way to do this using a tuple of exceptions. This topic explains catching multiple exceptions, tuple-based exception handling, best practices, exception hierarchy, common mistakes, real-world usage. This is a key Python error handling concept. Catching multiple exceptions in one line. Python allows you to group exceptions like this. Except, exception type 1, exception type 2. Basic example try. Value equals int ABC. Except, value error, type error. Print, invalid input or type error. Output, invalid input or type error. How it works. Try block. Error occurs. Check exception type. Check any in tuple. Execute except block. Example with file operations. Try f equals open file text. Data equals f.read. Except file not found error, permission error. Print, file access error. Example with arithmetic plus conversion try. X equals int 10, y equals 10 minus 0. Except value error, 0 division error. Print, something went wrong. Why use tuple with exceptions? Instead of writing except value error, except type error, you can write except value error, type error. Check. Cleaner, shorter, easier to maintain. Catching all exceptions, not recommended, except exception. This catches everything, including unexpected errors. Why this can be dangerous. X hides bugs, makes debugging harder, masks unexpected issues. Best practice approach. Be specific. Except value error, type error. Using exception object. You can also capture the error. Try int ABC. Except value error, type error as E. Print error E. Output error, invalid literal for int with base 10, ABC. Internal matching concept exception raised. Compare with tuple. If match means execute handler. Exception hierarchy. Python exceptions follow hierarchy. Exception, value error, type error, IO error. So sometimes you can catch parent exception. Except exception. Real-world example API input validation. Try age equals int user input. Except value error, type error. Return invalid age input. Real-world example file plus parsing. Try data equals int file.read. Except file not found error, value error. Print processing error. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Using multiple except blocks instead of tuple. Wrong, but verbose. Except value error. Except type error. 2. Forgetting parentheses. Wrong. Except value error, type error. Correct. Except value error, type error. 3. Catching too broad exceptions, except exception. May hide real bugs. 4. Ignoring error object except value error, type error, pass. Makes debugging harder. Best practices. Check. Use tuple for multiple exceptions. Check. Be specific with exception types. Check. Always log or print error details. Check. Avoid broad exception unless necessary. Performance considerations. Exception handling is CAC. Lightweight when no error occurs. Expensive when exceptions are raised frequently. Simple definition exception. An error that occurs during program execution. Simple definition. Multiple exception handling. Catching more than one exception type in a single except block using a tuple. Final summary. To catch multiple exceptions in Python, use tuple syntax, try, risky code. Except, value error, type error. Handle, error. Example, try, int, ABC, except, value error, type error. Print, invalid input. Key idea. Python allows multiple exception types to be handled in a single except block using a tuple, making error handling cleaner and more maintainable.